Hey guys, Cameron here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the onX Offroad app to find off-grid camping spots for your next adventure. So if you know you're going to be traveling to a new off-grid destination, or you're going to be traveling to a new spot within an area that you already know, it's great to be able to use the onX app beforehand, either on your mobile device or on your desktop, to be able to pre-run whatever trails you're planning on doing. By spending just a few minutes within the app, you'll be able to get a lot of information to make sure that you have the correct vehicle for the trail that you're trying to use. We're in the onX app right now, and what I usually do is I find what trail I want to use, select that trail. Once that trail shows up highlighted, it'll give you a bunch of information such as the trail name, trail number, the amount of miles the trail is, when that trail is open, so you can make sure you're hitting it at the correct time. And the coolest part, in my opinion, is what vehicles can be used on that trail. Today I'm going to be driving my Sprinter van, but next week I might be on my dirt bike. So figuring out the right trails for your vehicle is just really rad. Now let's get back to finding a camp spot. I'm obviously in a Sprinter van here. It's not the most capable vehicle in the world, but it allows me to get off the beaten path a bit and find a camping spot. So what I do is I take the onX app, I zoom in on the route that I'm wanting to take, select the road that I'm going to be going on, and I kind of just follow along that road to find either a short spur road that goes off of it that'll be a nice camp spot, or a legal open area that I can pull the vehicle onto. Once I've figured out where exactly I'm wanting to camp, I simply just drop a waypoint. So whether it's off that spur road, whether it's in an open legal area for me to pull the van off, whether it's a pull-out spot like what we have here, I'm able to drop that waypoint and simply navigate through the app to check it out in real life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys use some of these techniques to find new camp spots. Being able to have all this information at your fingertips is rad, and you definitely should put it to use.